How to fix suspended shop on Etsy. First off, if your Etsy shop gets suspended, take a breather and wait a few hours before you do anything. It's good to give it some time. When you're ready to tackle it, log into your Etsy account like you normally do. After that, scroll down the page until you see a section called Help Center. Click on that. Inside the Help Center, you'll see a few different topics. Look for one called Selling with Etsy and click on it. Once you're in there, scroll down and you'll find a link that says Contact Etsy Support. Click on that to get started. Click on Selling on Etsy. Click on My account is suspended. Click File an appeal. Choose a reason, such as my listing was removed by Etsy, and proceed to reach out to support. Fill out the required fields with as much detail as possible. Explain the situation briefly and clearly, and be sure to provide any relevant information requested. For the question, why was your listing removed? Just choose a reason. Click on Send to continue. Once you've submitted your request, Etsy support should get back to you with further instructions on how to resolve the issue. Be sure to check your email regularly, including your spam folder, for any updates. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be on your way to resolving the suspension of your Etsy shop. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more content. Let me know in the comments if this method worked for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.